Today I am going to show you the house of size having 23 feet 9 inch wide by 43 feet length. So it stands in the plot of size 1522 square feet, that is 8 dhur, and the plot is a south facing plot having a size of 27 feet wide by 57 feet length. So basically this is the ground floor plan of the house, and it is a 2 BHK plan. It has a parking space of 10 feet 6 inch wide by 22 feet length. So it is a good space for a parking of a car, whereas in the southwest portion a sitting space or a sitting lawn can be designed, or a two-wheeler parking can be done very easily in this portion of the site. And from the main door we enter into the house, and it has a staircase of 3 feet 6 inch wide and 10 inch straight. So from the door we enter into the ground floor, and which directly leads to the living room of the ground floor of the house. The living room has a size of 14 feet 6 inch by 12 feet, whereas in the northwest portion the kitchen dining space is created, and from the kitchen space we can lead to the backyard of the house. So in the west portion a common toilet is designed of size 6 feet by 5 feet, and in the northeast portion a bedroom is placed of size 10 feet 6 inch by 15 feet, which has a closet space attached to the wall. And another bedroom is placed in the southwest portion, which has a size of about 11 feet by 11 feet, and it has a good ventilation, and a proper lighting is maintained and kept in mind while designing of the house. So from the staircase it leads to the first floor of the house, and as such, like in the ground floor, the first floor also directly leads to the living room of the house, which has a size of 14 feet 6 inch by 12 feet size. And as such, like in the ground floor, the kitchen dining is also placed in the northwest portion of the house, having a size of 11 feet by 12 feet 6 inch size, and it has a veranda space which acts as a utility space. And in the west portion common toilet is created, and in the southwest portion a bedroom of about 11 feet by 11 feet is created, which having a closet attached to the wall, whereas in the northeast portion a bedroom with attached toilet bathroom is created, while a bedroom has a space of 10 feet 8 inch by 11 feet, while a attached toilet bathroom has a size of 7 feet 3 inch by 4 feet. Now a big veranda or a balcony space is created in the first floor, having a size of 8 feet 8 inch by 15 feet, where people can sit and enjoy the outer view of the surrounding or the environment space. From the staircase it leads to the second floor of the house. While entering into the second floor, we can directly visualize the puja space in front of the entrance of the house. So we can directly visualize the puja space. While from going here we lead to the living room of the house, having a size of 14 feet 7 inch by 13 feet, and in the northwest portion the kitchen dining space is created as such, like in the lower floors, and here is a bedroom of size 11 feet by 11 feet, and a common toilet is created in this portion. While in this floor a lavish master bedroom with walk-in closet, attached toilet bathroom, and a balcony space is created, while a clear space of bedroom has a size of 14 feet 8 inch by 11 feet, and walk-in closet has a size of 7 feet by 6 feet 7 inch, while attached toilet has a size of 9 feet by 6 feet. And from the bedroom we can lead to the balcony space and enjoy the outer view of the house. It is the third floor of the house, and it leads to a hall which acts as a meeting space in some occasion, and have a size of 14 feet 3 inch by 11 feet. And this floor has a 2 bedrooms with 1 attached toilet bathroom, and a common toilet bathroom is created, while it has a laundry space of size 7 feet by 6 feet, and from the door we can come to the open terrace of the house, and from a metal spiral staircase we can lead to the upper terrace of the house. Now let's look the 3D view of the house. Basically this is the front elevation or the front view of the house, whereas a plank tile and a elevation tile is used as a cladding material in the house, and a compound wall or the compound gate is designed as such like in the picture. This is the perspective view of the house, and it looks like as such in the picture, while this is the bird eye view of the house, and a solar panel can be placed in such manner, and a overhead water tank also can be placed such like in the picture. Whereas this is the back view of the house, and such like in the front view, plank tile is used as a cladding material, and the view can be viewed as such like in the picture. So guys, if you like the video, feel free to like it and subscribe to the channel. I will be bringing such content in regular days. Thank you.